Understanding worm gear. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore the phrase, worm gear. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also why it's called so. First, let's break it down. Worm. This refers to something that looks like the creature we know, the worm, because of its long, cylindrical, and spiral shape. Gear. A gear is a mechanical component with teeth that meshes with another toothed part to transmit torque. Combine the two, and you get the idea of a worm gear. A worm gear is a type of gear arrangement where a worm, which is a gear in the form of a screw, meshes with a gear wheel. This setup allows for a large reduction in speed in a very compact space. Think of it as a system where the spiral worm turns and drives the wheel, but the wheel cannot easily turn the worm. This makes worm gears very useful in certain applications, like winches or elevators, where you don't want the system to be easily reversed. Worm gears are popular for a few reasons. 1. High reduction ratios. They can reduce speed a lot in a single step. 2. Compactness. They can fit into small spaces. 3. Non-reversibility. In many designs, if you try to turn the gear, the worm won't move. This is helpful in systems where you don't want something to be turned back easily. Here's something interesting. The term worm gear might make it sound like it's a recent invention, but in fact, the concept has been around for centuries. Ancient civilizations knew about this gear mechanism and made use of its properties. And there we have it. The worm gear is not just a fancy term, it's a fundamental gear system with some pretty unique and helpful properties. Next time you see a mechanical system and wonder how it manages to produce such a large change in speed or torque, remember the humble worm gear. We hope this explanation has shed some light on the topic. Happy learning!